friends, it's Austin Kachowww. We're at the Jelly Belly factory in Fairfield, California. Let's go check it out.
We had the absolute blast to go check out the Jelly Belly factory. You could see all sorts of colors of jelly beans and see the workers pack and get them ready for me and you to eat. They had cool jelly bean art. Look at all the colors of the jelly beans. There was also something I couldn't wait to do, and it was the train. It was so much fun to get to ride on the train. They took us from one side to the other side in the train. Look at sorting out the jelly beans. And then they would package it up and it'd go down the chute to load on a truck. Look at how cool it was. I was so excited to see how a jelly bean was made. There were cool robots making packages so that way it could ship super easy. Of course, I just had so much fun dancing around and enjoying all the views. There was also a store where you could get special jelly beans. That was watermelon, tangerine, and my favorite, strawberry. Did you know Ronald Reagan was the first president to have jelly beans inside the White House? And the jelly bean art had George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Benjamin Franklin, and they made the Statue of Liberty. How cool! Did you know in 1983, President Ronald Reagan sent some jelly beans to the moon? Look how cool the Jelly Belly is. My favorite part was seeing the red, orange, green, yellow, and blue gummy bears. Good job. There's over 50 flavors of jelly beans. It was so cool to see. Jelly Belly Factory is one you can't miss.